Hello everyone, today is Wednesday. I just had a whole day meeting and now I want to make a major dish, to relax. So I'm going to make a duck beer dish, including use a whole duck, a bottle of beer, some hot pepper, lotus root. Hope you will enjoy this video. As you can see, this is a whole duck. I got it from a Chinese grocery store, and then there's a bottle of beer, some hot pepper, lotus root, ginger, garlic, and Chinese onion. So I'm going to cut the duck into pieces to fry the duck, and then add some hot pepper, then use beer to cook the duck. Alright, now the hot pepper is cut it and also the duck is cut it. I'm going to cook it. I also added some salt, and now I'm going to put the lid on top of the pan to let it cook for a little while. And alright, so the dish is almost done. We see the duck is well cooked, and also added the vegetables, some pepper, some mushrooms, and also Chinese onion. And I'm going to have this dish for a couple of days, while tonight my dinner is rice noodle with the duck soup. Looks so delicious.